back in Singapore. You know, as Thematex, we were discussing very long if we can come back, and we have shown now that it is a wonderful place. Many people are coming, much more people can attend in Singapore because they have no problems to come to the country. We had visitors at the fair, not at all our booths, but in total from over 107 countries, so this is fantastic. And I think the organization is wonderful. We are just happy to be here. And that's also the feedback I got from every customer. They like it, that there are so many producers that they're showing. It's not a rush, it's well organized, so they feel very well attended also. What we are showing here for the first time is the SFP2 new Stenter model. It is designed as a kind of standard machine for classical textiles, for apparels, and it has some technical specifications that make it easy to maintain and to handle. We had a press release on the technical details, but what we are showing also is the central rising range for woven fabric, and of course all the other technical things that we are doing, like the non-grease chain, the vertical chain that is completely lubricant free, etc. So a lot of specific things, and as you probably all know, we have this wide field of machines that we are offering, from carpet to non-wovens to, of course, coating, and then all kinds of classical textiles. So the variety, what we could show is manifold, but time is too short to mention everything. In classical textiles, certainly there is a downturn at the moment because many producers don't, or many countries don't have foreign currencies, interest rates are too high, and on the other hand, consumers are not buying because of too many uncertainties. So that's a problem for nearly all parts of the world. Only the countries that are closed, that are producing for their own country or for their own markets, are doing better. But technical textiles is doing quite well. And I think in our industry, we are somehow used to ups and downs, 30% up, 30% or 40% down, and again. So I think we were able to balance this out, and we are lucky, as I just mentioned, that we have so many columns that we are working on, so that makes us strong. And I see from the fair and the response also that the positive look in the future is there, so next year I think will be a more positive year for everybody. We have to stay more positive instead of just discussing what's not going well. We should focus on what is really going well and how can we realize what we can improve also with the existing portfolio that one is producing in textiles but also in machinery. So we definitely can say our industry has also a big bright future, I'm sure. Of course, we are asked what we can offer regarding sustainability and what we do since a few years, but what we are improving continuously is the setting and the computer program in the background that is running our machine. And we have a special program that's called Expertex that is helping our customer to use their machines in a much better way. So one focus would be to increase the performance of the machine. On the other hand, you also can reduce energy use, or you can improve the settings. And we did that with the experience we got from our own machines at customers, combined with chemical know-how and chemical treatments. And together we can offer our customer a program that they can use to pre-assess the settings, and they can use also to count the CO2 footprint per roll, or also use that for pre-calculation of a new fabric. So that makes it easier for them to also use and be more flexible. And actually it is based on a lot of data and put together by AI, producing a new portfolio and a new computer, like a program, for setting program for the machines. And actually some of our customers are really using it already, and we have shown that they are able to save really big quantities of money. We had one customer that was able to save nearly 1 million per year by just using different settings. So he was very happy. But it needs not only a program, but also a change in mindset of the people on the shop floor.